Here's my LG running in the rain. This is gonna be the last time it's gonna rain until 12 a.m. So let's get this done while it's still kind of light out. Oh, it looks like it's picking up a little bit. See it on the ground. It's pretty light rain. Should be getting some heavy rain tonight and some thunderstorm. The TV signal keeps on going out downstairs because I was down there. I ran down there to grab a snack, and it seemed to be going out a lot. That's some cool air. Really nice. Here's the evaporator. Nice and wet. Some cat hair on there for my cat. And if I can see the compressor to shut off. Alright, well we're getting towards an end anyways. That's it. I'll be sure to catch some thunder when some lightning once it starts to get the thunderstorm. Right now it's just a little downpour of rain. Well, I guess you can't say a downpour, but it's really just a little rainstorm. Light rainstorm. You can see. Pretty light. Average rain. But yeah, I'll be sure to get some shots of lightning whenever that gets to that point where we got that. So if it happens tonight, I'll be sure to get some. So anyway, I guess that's it. See you guys next time.